Sweet.
Now you just gotta get your rear open.
There we go. Beautiful.
Nice job, guys.
High five, Renee.
Just the high five.
We finally helped somebody else other than ourselves.
Whoa, careful. I already fell and busted my ass.
Really? Yeah, it's so slippery here. Hey, we got the same tires.
The Milestars, the Patagonias.
All right.
I'm gonna video. Yeah, you go ahead and spot for him. No. Okay, I thought he was gonna hit that stump.
Yeah, just keep on going forward a little bit, and then you're gonna want to turn driver. All right, turn driver. All right, back up a little bit. All right, stop. Now turn driver. Yep. All right. Now just go slow.
I think one of the critical rocks. Oh, nice.
All right, keep on coming straight.
Oh, it was the back that was the problem, huh?
Oh, watch out! You're about to go into that tree. Yeah.
All right, we got the same issue. We got to pack up.
Yep. You know what? That actually happened to me. My tires were on that tree too, and that was
Yeah,
Stay right there, and then we'll.
Yeah.
yeah, we're gonna pack up some rocks, okay? All right. All right. Luckily, all the rocks are there. We just gotta push them this way. Yeah.
Hey, what are your names for the video?
Oh, I'm Renee.
Renee?
Ricardo.
Ricardo and Renee. That's easy to remember.
Yeah, this is not the easiest obstacle.
Ricardo and Renee, these two fine young men, are doing all the hard work for us. Let's get an underside shot of the Ambassador's rig here. Got quite a chasm under there.
Yeah, looking at that, we got this. Oh, I just lost these parts.
Hey Mike, when you start moving, you're going to want to turn a little passenger. Yeah, right there.
All right. What about the other side?
I think we got to start putting some at this side, actually. Yeah, it's bare on this side.
Yeah, let's get a little bit of, let's put some rocks, like a rock or two there, so that he can, so we can help him push him over. Actually, that might be good enough, honestly. Actually, no, get one more on top of that, like that little rock. Yeah, right there. All right. I think that's pretty good. All right.
Yep.
Yep, you're good. Yeah, turn a little bit passenger. Oh, yes!
There you go.
All right, now hold on. We've had to do it too many times.
What'd you just call them?
Rock stacking master.
Yes, they are.
Right now.
There we go.
Careful, there's a big ledge.
No problem. All right, Ricardo and Renee have helped us get up this waterfall, as they call it, I guess. Now it's Renee's turn, and we're gonna help them get up it.
Yeah, come more.
What year is this Toyota?
89.
89?
When you're ready, you're going to make contact with this side soon.
All right.
And then this side as well. They're all going to be at the same time.
Does he want to? Yeah, straighten out. Straighten out. I don't think he wants to get down in that.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
I didn't think you were gonna keep going. I thought we were gonna stop so we could stack.
Oh, it's already stacked.
Here, give it a try now.
Oh, you almost had it.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go. You got it. That's impressive, Renee.
All right, yep, come this way.
Hey, that was impressive, dude.
Oh, he did it.
I didn't break anything. All right, so tell me how.
All right, you're good right here. Just keep going. You're gonna hit rock right here. And the contact, right?
Turn.
Oh, you're slipping.
Yeah.
All right, let's put a rock there.
Yeah, let me put one right there. Yeah.
Nice rock, please.
Okay, that should work, I think. Go for it, get it. All right, you're gonna touch rock. There we go. All right, slowly come up.
All right, which direction still?
So it's a manual too, huh?
Yeah, it's manual. All right. Straight up, straight up. You got it. Keep going.
Yeah.
All right, and then
Nice job.
here, so.
Yeah, well, let's just wait for them to move so I
Yep.
Yeah. All right, we'll continue up the trail.